Hey everyone, so we're looking at Audi A3 2015 driver's side door, and my window regulator failed. It's cable driven. I guess it gets frayed up over time and then it starts getting jammed up. So I pulled off the door card and the speaker, which I didn't have to, this little plastic cover, a couple of things to get a look inside to see, okay, how do I replace this thing? And I figured it out. Behind a couple of plastic caps, there are bolts here, here, and there's another nut here, another nut here. And I think you get to press out this little plastic clip. And when you do that, you should be able to just pull the window regulator out. Obviously, after removing the door card, the trimming and all of that good stuff. But first, you have to take out the window. And I searched YouTube on how to do this. I could not find it, which is why I'm making this video, to give something back to all those, as a sort of a, I've been helped out so much by these DIY videos, so I thought, you know what, let me give some of that back. So, how do you get the window out? Well, I pulled all this stuff off, including the speaker, which, like I said, you don't have to, just to get a look inside, and ultimately figured it out. There, in the door regulator, so you see this track here, and there's a hidden track here. There is a little window, a little cutout, and there's a plastic cap here. Pop that off, and you'll see it too. And it gives you access to push a tab to release the window from the little holders. But you gotta drop the window to the right height. Okay, so where was I? So I have the window set at the right height, where if you look through these little windows in the tracks, you'll see right through to a little sort of push tab in the tracks. In the holders, rather, attached to the tracks that hold the window. So I haven't tried this yet. I'm going to try it for the first time now. I have my trusty screwdriver, and if I go through those little slots, I should be able to just press and pull open the window, or pull up the window. So let's give that a shot. So I'll try this guy first, a little bit easier to see. You know what? I need more light. Actually, I had the window a bit too high. So I set it now, dropped it just a little bit, and you'll see there's a little round tab that comes into view. And press that tab in on either end. The window should release from the holder. So let's give that a shot. See how it works out. So I'm going right through the little track, pressing into the tab. I believe I got it. Let's try this guy. Yep, releasing in the back, if you noticed, but the window just came up above the little holder on the track. I don't think the front is released yet. Where is it? Let's see. It is. Fantastic. So the window is released. Let's be careful to remove this thing and not drop it. That'll be real fun. And there you go. Now I can remove the regulator. Now that the window is out, I'm going to try to remove the regulator. Like I said, there are 4 nuts, and there's 1 plastic clip. You have to remove these plastic caps to access the nuts at the top. And that should be it. I should be able to just unbolt the thing and pull it all out. So let's give it a shot. Here's one. And by the way, you're seeing the speaker missing there. I pulled it out to get a better look at what was going on. You don't need to remove it for this job. I don't believe. I did have to unclip all the harnesses and stuff to get everything out of the way, and I did have to remove the motor, the window motor. It's just 3 screws, and the thing comes right out. If I recall, it was clipped into this harness. All right, and this nut right here. It's all very loose already. Okay, and let's release the little plastic clip holding the cable. Try not to scratch the door doing so. Okay, there you go. All right, it's in there. Not sure what it's caught on, but I'll just give it a look and I'll come back to you in a second. Okay, I realized my problem. I needed, obviously, this little plastic, I don't know what you call it, is attached to everything. Obviously moves the cable, so gotta release this too. I don't know what I was thinking. So let's get that done. Pop one in. Pop the other one in. There we go. Everything should be free. And it is. Now, the trick is pull it out of the door, which I'm gonna do it off camera because I want to figure out how to pull it out without scratching the inside of the door. Okay, I figured it out. Regulator does not come out the top, otherwise you'll scratch the hell out of the inside of the door, assuming that it can even squeeze through. I think if this trim piece were pulled out, that might also allow it to come through, but I don't want to try to pull this thing out and damage it, or worse. You can squeeze it out through this opening. There's a little plastic cap. Pull that off. You have to kind of pop out this little grommet and sort of feed it through. This is the cable to open the door from the inside. Attaches to the interior door handle. So you have that off, and you can just sort of finagle this thing out. So I have one end out already, and I'm just going to grab the other ends here. Caught somewhere over here, so there we go. There we go. There's my damaged window regulator, or malfunctioning, I should say. And don't really see where that's happening. So I hope that when I put in a new one, that the problem is resolved. Otherwise, well, I guess we'll see. Well, thanks for watching. So that's how you get your window regulator out after taking the door glass out. Releasing the tabs. Once you have the window at the right height, you get access to them through the door. Allows you to release the window out this way, and then you can unbolt this 4 bolts and push in a couple of plastic clips, 3 here where the window motor attaches, 1 I think here that kind of secures the cable to the door, I assume, so it doesn't rattle around, and then you can just feed the whole thing up right from here. I hope that helps. I couldn't find the video on this, so I made one for you guys. Yeah, maybe there'll be more to come. But we'll see. Thanks for watching. Good luck.